and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print Reflections of Life large register books, flat pages. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and underneath our Layouts tab, we'll choose Large Flap. Next, we'll go into the Print Info button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once our PDF file has generated, we'll want to review the document to be sure that everything has pulled in correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin changing our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: Actual Size and Portrait. On the right-hand side, we'll notice that the document size and page size do not match in width and height. This is because it's a custom page size. To make these match, we'll have to go into the Advanced Properties and make a few changes at the bottom. Our document size will be changed to a custom paper size. Orientation will remain with Portrait. We'll change our ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Next, we have our paper type, and that will always be thick 1 to ensure that the ink stays on the paper. Next, because this is a custom page size, we'll go into the Detailed Settings and define our paper size here. This is a 10 3/4 by 11-inch page. We'll put in the width and height here and click OK. And at this point, you can register your current settings by naming your one-click preset here and selecting OK. Once you've done this, an icon will appear in your one-click preset list. By clicking on this icon on future cases, the below settings will import into that case. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.